how to download and install SkyFactory 5. Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and play SkyFactory in Minecraft. Super simple. So if you've been wanting to jump into the SkyFactory mod pack, let's get started. First up, open any web browser. Head over to curseforge.com. That's the site you'll need to download the CurseForge app. On the home page, click on Get CurseForge app. Here, choose the standalone version. We don't need the Overwolf version for this. Once the installer is downloaded, just open it and hit install. It'll take a few moments and then you'll see the app pop up. Once installed, you'll be redirected to App Dashboard. Inside the CurseForge app, hit the big plus icon to add Minecraft. It'll usually detect Minecraft automatically, but if not, you can manually browse your PC and link the game folder. Just make sure Minecraft is already installed and you've logged in at least once. Now that Minecraft is linked to CurseForge, go up to the search bar and type in SkyFactory. Hit enter and you'll see a few different versions. Pick the one you want, usually the latest or most popular version, and then hit install. Once it finishes downloading, you'll see a play button right there. Click that and it will launch Minecraft with SkyFactory fully loaded, no manual mod installation needed. And that's it, you're all set to explore the world of SkyFactory. If this helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.